us now talk about the glucose transporters. Glucose transporters are uniports. They have facilitated diffusion, passive transport. Basically, if you see the structure, then they are made up of 12 hydrophobic. Hydrophobic means water fearing. Okay, so they are buried. The hydrophobic 12 segments are buried as folds in the transmembrane. Transmembrane means they span through the length of the membrane, right? Any cell membrane is bilayer, no? So they will span through that bilayer membrane. Only L isomers of glucose are transported. So far, 12 GLUT are encoded by human genome. And basically, if we have to classify, we can say as insulin-dependent glucose transporter and non-insulin dependent or no insulin independent. In that, GLUT4, no, glucose transporter 4, that is the only glucose transporter which is insulin dependent. So let us see which are these glucose transporters. So you have first GLUT1. As I already have mentioned in my previous slide, you will see GLUT1 in all the mammalian tissue cells. The basic purpose is basal glucose uptake, irrespective of blood glucose concentration in the blood. Then comes GLUT2, majorly present in intestine, liver, and pancreatic B cells. Okay, where all it is present? Liver, pancreatic B cells, and intestine. It is also has been seen in kidney as well as hypothalamus. Now, in pancreas, it plays a role in regulation of insulin. And in the liver, it is known to remove the excess glucose from the blood and store it as glycogen or reutilize it for other pathways like HMP. Now, if you see the Km, right, when there is basal uptake, the Km is less. And here you will see that the Km is more. What does it show? Km is more. It talks about the affinity. Affinity is low. Means these gates will open when the concentration is more. Coming to GLUT3, you have again present them as for basal uptake. Again, it is present in this GLUT1 and GLUT3. They both are present in all the mammalian tissues. GLUT4 is seen in muscle and fat cells, and you can increase the concentration of GLUT4 by endurance training. Whenever a person undergoes endurance training, no, so they can increase the GLUT4 up regulation and help in better glucose uptake. GLUT5 is also present. It is seen in small intestine, but it is a fructose transporter and not glucose transporter. So that brings us to the end